Hello friends, welcome to the yet another video of Pratham Test Prep. My name is Nikhil. I am here to help you in filling up the form for IIM ROHTAK application 2021. You guys would be aware that different universities have started sharing their entrance exam date. If we talk about IIM Indore, the form is not out yet, but they have already shared their entrance exam, which is on 14th June 2021. If the for the law aspirants, CLAT and AILET has also already shared their entrance exam dates, which is CLAT is on 13th June 2021, and if you talk about Delhi NLU, which is AILET exam, that is on 20th June 2021. So if I talk about the private universities as well, Christ University, Narsi Munji Mumbai and Symbiosis, they have already shared their entrance exam dates. So we are expecting some more university will be launching their application form soon. So we people recommended all our students to start their preparation for the entrance exam separately now itself, so that you do good in the entrance exam as well, because we don't have much time left for the entrance exam dates. So please work for that as well. So my reason of creating this video is to help you in filling up the form for IIM ROHTAK application 2021. Before I take you to that process, there are a few important pointers which I'll be discussing. So the first thing I want to discuss about the IPM program. The IPM program, it's a 5 years integrated program which includes your BBA program and your MBA program. So in total it is of 5 years. Once you complete your 3 years with IIM ROHTAK, you will have to get at least 5 CGPA to be eligible for the master's program. So if you do not get if you get less than 5 CGPA in your graduation, you would not be promoted to the next level. Talking about third important point, there are a lot of students who ask that if they can take exit after 3 years of graduation. Yes, IIM ROHTAK allows you to take the exit after 3 years. You can take exit from there, and you can take your degree from IPM ROHTAK, and further you can prepare yourself for the master's program, which is CAD, SAT, SNAP, IFT, NMAT and GMAT for different entrance exam for MBA as well. So now for IIM ROHTAK, what they have done, they have divided the whole curriculum into two parts. One is the foundation part, which is covered in first 3 years, and then the management part, which will be covered in the last 2 years. So talking about the eligibility criteria, admission criteria, minimum 60% they need in 10th and 12th, and the maximum age should be 20 years for the general category, non-criminal OBC category, and EWS category. If we talk about SC, ST and PWD categories, they need minimum 55% in 10th and 12th, and the age should be the same, maximum of 20 years of age on 31st July 2021. So this is the thing which I want to discuss. Next thing is the selection process. So as I've already told you, registration have already started. That was on 15th February 2021. Its ending date is 4th May 2021. If we talk about this, the pattern of the entrance exam, quantitative aptitude will be having 40 questions, logical reasoning 40 questions, verbal aptitude 40 questions. In total, we'll be having 120 questions. We'll have to complete that in 120 minutes. If you talk about the entrance exam date, that is on 12th June 2021. Timing is 2 p.m. to. So talking about the pattern, they give you a +4 for all the right answer and -1 for all the negative answer for the wrong answers. Now we'll be talking about the next process, that is the online personal interview. Once you crack the entrance exam, you'll be called for the personal interview round. Once you crack the personal interview, they have created a particular weightage according to which you'll be judged. So if you talk about the aptitude test, the test which you have given, that has the weightage of 45 out of 100. Personal interview will carry 15, and your past academic background, that is 10th and 12th percentage or marks, that has the weightage of 40%. So in total that is 100%, and through basis on this you'll be selected for the IIM ROHTAK. The final merit will be coming in the second week of August, and soon after that they'll be starting their session for 2021. Now, taking you to the website, IPM ROHTAK website. This is the website we have. On the left hand side, if you see, we have a IPM program. We need to click on IPM program, and on the right hand side, we have an option called IPM 2021 registration and login. If you are a new candidate, you need to click on IPM registration. Click here. Once you click on that, it will take you to this particular window where it will ask for the basic information, and you need to click on close on this particular thing, and move to the next window. So this is the registration page we have. On the top left, we will have to punch in our name, and then we have a gender thing, category. We have a person with disability or not, yes or no. We need to punch in the date of birth, the email ID. We need to confirm the email ID on the right hand side. We need to choose the nationality, country of residence, the mobile number, and we will have to confirm the same mobile number on the right hand side. Why we are confirming the email ID and mobile number again and again? Because they don't want students to make any mistake while providing their email ID and mobile number, because most of the information will be provided in that registered email ID and mobile number. So on the lower side, you have a captcha. Once you click on captcha and click on register, it will take you to this particular window. So on the left hand side, you will get this window. You need to click on OK, and then IIM Rohtak will send you a username and password to your registered email ID. You need to punch in the username and ID on the right hand side. If you can, guys can see candidate login. You need to punch in the application ID and the password. Just below that, we have a captcha. Once you click on captcha and click on login, it will take you to this particular page. So these are the basic information which we have filled earlier. You can cross check each and everything. And on top right, we have go to application form options. Once you click on application form, it will take you to this window. So on the left hand side, we have father name. You can punch in your father name here. On the right hand side, we have mother's name information here. To click on that and move to the next window. So here we need to punch in the address. We'll have to divide our address into 3 parts. Address 1, 2, and 3. You can divide that particular thing into 3 parts, and then punch in your state, your city, town, your location, your PIN code number. So below that, you have a mobile number mentioned, alternate one, and your alternate email ID. Please make sure that mobile number and email ID which you have already registered, please give another email ID and mobile number in the alternate one. Once we do that, we have an option to upload so once we click on that, it will take us to this particular window where we need to attach our passport size photograph and the signature. The signature the photograph and signature has to be maximum of 80 KB and should be in JPG or JPEG format. So you need to attach your passport size photograph and the signature and click on close. Once you do that, it will take us to this particular option where we need to punch in our academic information. So on top left, we need to punch in our aggregate percentage we got in 10th standard. And then we need to choose the board on this option. We have to mention our school name and the year of completions. For those students who are appearing boards this year, on the right hand side, we'll be punching 2019 for year of completion for 10th specifically. Have you completed your 12th? Yes or no? You can punch in yes or no. If you have completed your 12th, you need to press yes. If no, you can click no option. Once you click on no option, you need to click on save and next. Save and next, and then we'll have this particular window. This is the preferred locations where you want to give your entrance exam. We recommend you to please keep those particular cities which is nearby to your place wherever you stay. So that would be easy for you to travel to that place and give your entrance exam. So there are 3 preferences you can give, and click on save and next. Once we click on save and next, there are a few terms and conditions we need to punch in. You need to tick on this option and this lower option. On the right hand side, if you guys can see, the application fees is 3890. We have given the 3890 amount there. On the lower side, we have I accept terms and conditions. Click on that, and so once we click on submit option, it will take us to the payment gateway where we can choose our desired payment mode. We can make the payment by credit card, debit card, net banking, and other options are there. We can make the payment, and this is how we will be able to fill up that form. I also want to highlight few more important points which I discussed earlier. Okay, the online application, which was already mentioned, 15th February it was started. The last date of application is 4th May 2021. IPM test is on 12th June 2021, and the timing is 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. They'll call you in for the interview thing, that is in the 3rd week of July. Then for the personal interview, they'll be keeping it approximately in 4th week of July. And then the announcement of the selection list will be in the 2nd week of August. And academic session will start from 1st week of September. So these are the approximate dates which is given by IIM Rohtak, and their contact number is also mentioned. If in case there are a few more queries if we want to raise, they can ask in the either calling them or by once we make the payment for IIM Rohtak, it will take us to another window. We will have to complete the form afterwards. There are a few more basic information we need to punch in to complete the application form. So basically, this is how we fill up the forms. If you guys still face any problem in filling up the forms or any other issues, you guys can contact us on the given mobile numbers. And this every region has different service managers. You can contact us from 9 to 7 for any kind of support. And one more important point, please keep save your username and password which is sent by the IIM Rohtak or any other university, because using which you'll be able to download the admit card. If in case you don't have the login credentials, you would not be able to download the admit card, and finally you would not be able to go for the entrance exam. So make sure that you save your username password somewhere. We people have created a forms wallet for our Pratham students where students can save their username and password and use it whenever it is required. So please like, share and subscribe our Pratham channel. Soon we'll be creating few more videos for the upcoming application forms. There are a few more universities yet to decide their entrance exam date. So for updates, please share, like and subscribe our channel. Thank you and stay safe. Have a nice day.